You're here with Margaret. Today I am using some of my homemade jam and peanut butter that I made in my deluxe cooking blender, which I can't get enough of if you've seen any of those recent videos. And I want to show you the new amazing cut and seal that allows you to make those little pocket sandwiches for yourself or for the kids, or even little pocket pies, all that kind of stuff. So I'm starting with 2 square soft pieces of bread. Mine are whole wheat, round top, I think great value. And so here we go. I made my peanut butter, probably about a week ago now. I keep it in the fridge and it has never separated. I've used this whole jar and not once have I had to stir or separate, stir it up because it separated. I also, with this batch of peanut butter, I took a few, like maybe 2 tablespoons of peanuts, and I chopped them up with my food chopper so that it was crunchy peanut butter. So that's an option that you can do. And you can do it with any kind of nut butter, right? You can do it with seeds and nuts, all kinds of things. My jam is strawberry jam, and it's cooked jam that is just delicious. Oh my gosh, you put a little bit of pectin. You don't even use the whole package of pectin. You just use a tablespoon or 2. You can do low sugar or regular pectin with the regular sugar in it. And it made a quart of jam. So here we go. I've got a little peanut butter and some jam on each side. You kind of want to stay away from the edges with it because the filling is where it's all at. And then you just kind of center this here. How should I show you the best way? It has a kind of a curved side, so you do a rocking motion. You just want to kind of avoid the crust. And it uses, when you have square bread like this, it uses the whole bread. I mean, the only thing that's left is the actual crust. Look at that. That is just the crust. So you could even do this for toast. Like if you wanted to take the crust off a toast, you could just do that for that too. And then you just kind of push it out. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. See? And it just completely envelops. See, I got a little crust right there, so it's not completely sealed right there. But you can do it a little more carefully than I did. And it just completely seals it all in. You could do this with pie crust and pie filling and then bake them. Do some little slits or a design on the top. You'd have little mini ham pies. Such a great treat. Super healthy, no preservatives, depending on what's in your bread or what have you, and cheaper than buying the frozen ones at the store. Thanks, guys, for watching. Have a great day.